Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. Alright, first of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it black. Combine it with this one, make it black, and then you're going to choose only bangs. And then put on this earring, make it this color. And then this shoes, you're going to make it this color. And this is from the VIP room. This is the color code for the gold color. And then put on this bracelet, make it this color, okay? And then you're going to go to the dressing room. And from the dressing room, I'm going to go to the Valentine's update. And I'm going to put on this pant, this one guys. And for this pant, I'm going to make it black for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then for the third selection, I'm going to make it the same color. Oops, sorry guys. For the second selection, I'm going to make it this blue color. This is for the color code. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the last selection. For the last selection, I'm going to make it gold. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the petal update. And we're going to choose this top. And for the top, I'm going to make it the same blue color, this one. And then for the next selection, I'm going to make it black. And for the lace, I'm going to make it this color. And the next one guys, I'm going to go to the VIP room. And from this VIP room, I'm going to choose this skirt. And we can select toggle 2. And we're going to apply this blue color, okay, for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to move to this area and put on this item. And then we're going to make it black for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it this color, okay. And then for the next selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, let me show you the color code. And then for the buckle and let's make it this color. Okay, done. And I'm going to move to this area. We're going to put on this item. And then I'm going to apply pattern. Okay, for the pattern, you're going to choose the world culture pattern. You're going to apply this one. Alright, and then the last one, I'm going to put on knife. It's right here. And then put on this item. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Zoey from K-pop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!